We going beach today.
Morning's done, the day is one. Sun against it, and everything's fine. A gentle breeze.
We're gonna go Walmart. I'm gonna go Walmart first with Brianne to buy some things. Might record there. See if I remember. We're gonna go to Walmart real quick just to get some snackies and I want to get a coloring book. And we need sunscreen. And that's it. And I'm gonna get McDonald's because I'm hungry right now. I literally woke up like an hour ago. Okay, I'll see you guys at Walmart. This is a joke. Why is it $3? It's $3. Oh my goodness. I'm starting to vlog.
Oh, you really? Oh my
Yeah.
god, I vlogged last summer. It was so fun.
Okay. Should I do iconic cities? Or what?
I love you thought you were gonna get the blue.
I'm not feeling bluey. Or I don't know, I just might get the dollar ones already. Why is it so freaking expensive? What is... Oh, that's too much to color. Oh my gosh, is there stickers? Amazing. Oh my gosh, there's stickers. Okay, I'm satisfied. Okay, we're gonna get Peppa. Assorted. Perfect. Now, do I want another one?
Do you have the funds? Do you have the money?
I actually need a calendar. Hold up. Now that we're... Okay. So, hey guys. Me and Brianne, we just finished. I don't know if you can hear me. Probably might just do a little voiceover or I don't know. But we just got done at Walmart. I got McDonald's. Brianne got Taco Bell from her family. So I'm going home right now. I just dropped off Brianne. I did get the two coloring books. So yeah, so it's like almost 12-ish. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna look for my beach bag. I loaded my laundry, so I'm gonna hang it. After that, I'm gonna do a little get ready for the beach. I'm not really a beach person, but I mean, they're just tanning. I'm not gonna play in the water. I might just dip my feet in, you know. I'm wearing linen pants, so I'm already set with that. I'm just probably gonna throw on like a button down like t-shirt on top, and yeah. I don't know what to wear. Oh my gosh. Okay, initially I wanted, okay, the hat looks stupid. I initially wanted to wear this with linen pants. That was always my go-to. Always my go-to. But, oh, it just broke off. Oh my gosh, it broke more. I'm overstimulated. I don't want to wear shorts. I don't have cute shorts. And it's very hot. But I do want to wear this. I'm gonna wear this pants that I got and tailored myself. Okay. Fit check. Yeah, and then this is my bag that I'm gonna bring. My aloha. Oh, I'm very local. Very local. But you know what's even more local? I want to bring my glasses. Yes, I'll bring my glasses. Just in case. Just in case. I'm not going to bring my Apple Watch. I have a power bank. I just switched my phone case to a MagSafe phone case. I have all the food in here. Well, my food plus the 2 snacks that we got. I was... I'm so overstimulated. I cannot. There's just so much going on. My battery, and I'm gonna save my storage. Okay, bye guys. Hope I might see you guys in I'll see you guys at the beach. Okay, hey guys, we made it to the beach. We found parking. Very windy, a lot of people.
There's so much kids in the middle.
You can go on that side over there. Hey, so we're sat now. It's freaking hot.
Is there white cast?
Yes. It's okay.
I feel like the tourists have to kind of put on sunscreen.
It's very hot. We just put on sunscreen. I'm gonna go in the water, dip my feet in it, because it's freaking hot.
I'm gonna hope we're in the shot.
Wait,
I think
try put the phone on.
it still didn't do anything.
Is it even on?
It is on.
Here.
I'm recording right now.
You
It's
are?
recording?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, she is.
You know what? I don't know. Oh. Beautiful day at the beach. It's actually not that hot. The clouds is covering the sun. But I think today was a good day. I think today is a good day. My mom done cussed me out over the phone. I'm just kidding. She called me, asked me where I am because I forgot to tell her that I was going beach. I think we're gonna go brug. Right? Yes. We're gonna go brug. Yes. Gonna get our matcha, edit some pastry. And that's our dinner.
Yes. Tiny. What a kid.
It was a beautiful day at the beach. Yes. We at brug. We at brug. We at brug. So we got our brug. What the freak is this matcha?
That color is
My
giving, like, milk.
goodness. I got matcha, strawberry matcha.
We got honey, cinnamon, lattte. Yeah.
Let's try. Cheers.
Oh yeah, that's good. A lot of cinnamon went down my throat. I know.
That's just straight strawberries.
Did you not mix it? You did mix it. It's strawberry milk. This is good. It is good. It's just a lot of cinnamon.
It's just strawberry milk.
This
I
onion
got-
bread though.
I got a matcha toy donut,
I just
the
looked at that.
Puma
Just ate it in front of me.
chocolate bun, a cinnamon toy donut, and then a frankfurter hot dog with French bread. My gosh, my hair is crazy. Don't mind how I look. It's the next day. I didn't record anything, but after we went to Brugg, we went to Target and TJ Maxx, and then after that we went home, and I just didn't record. Apologies. Anyways, yeah, that's kind of it. That's kind of it for that day. I'm sorry if it was like so weird, cause I don't vlog. I'm sorry. But I hope you enjoyed it. Anyways, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Okay, thanks. Bye.